Hello, welcome to all of you guys. In this video, we will learn how we have to assign holidays in a holiday calendar. So first of all, we will see how we have to create a holiday calendar. After that, we will learn how to assign holidays in a calendar. So very simple way we have to see how we have to define a holiday calendar. How we have to define a holiday calendar. So there is very easy way, guys. We have to use the path that is go to admin center, and in admin center in admin tool, you have to search manage time of structure. Manage time of structure. And after that, you will see you have to search holiday calendar. You have to search holiday calendar. Now we will follow and we have to configure. Go to SAP system and here you have to search manage time of structure. Manage time of structure. You will see manage time of structure. Manage time of structure. In this manage time of structure, if you see, you have to search here. Holiday calendar. You will see holiday calendar. So first of all, we have to define holidays. After that, we have to assign holidays. Okay. So we have to define holidays. Suppose I'm defined 2026 holiday calendar. Holiday calendar. Country, you can select country, otherwise you can escape external code. You have to give a code. Suppose this is the code I have to give. This is the code I have to give. Suppose. So 2026 holiday calendar. Code, this is the code we have defined. Now you have to click on save. When you click on save, this is the way you have defined your holiday calendar. This is the way you have defined your holiday calendar. After defining holiday calendar, you have to assign holidays into that holiday calendar. So you have to make the correction. Now you have to select holiday calendar. So Diwali, guys, Diwali, that is 8th November. If you see Diwali in 2026, that is 8th November. Okay. So very simple way. You have to select here. You have to select here 8th November, 8th November. And here you have to select Diwali 2026. Already in my last class, last video, we have defined Diwali, okay? Holiday, Diwali holiday we have defined. Now I have assigned. Click on details and you have to select the category. This is full day holiday, half day holiday, and we can skip none of the holiday. So this is the way you have to define. After that, Republic Day, that is 26th January. So very simple, 26th January, you have to select. In the last class, we have defined our Republic Day. We have to define our Republic Day 2026. Republic Day 2026. Republic Day 2026. Republic Day 2026. That's we check. Let's we check 2020. Republic Day 2020. This is the way you have to define. And here you have to select the full day, the holiday, half day, suppose half day holiday. After that, you have to click on save. When you click on save, you will see you have assigned these two holidays into this calendar, into this holiday calendar. That calendar organization is used for maintaining all the holidays. So this is the way we have to define holidays. I hope guys you have understand how you have to define holidays, and after that after defining holiday calendar, you have to assign holidays into that calendar. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.